Copycat, Unveiled, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. One phrase that you might have heard, but perhaps don't fully understand, is copycat. What does it mean? How is it used in sentences? Let's find out together. Copycat is a term that has been used in English for a very long time. It is a combination of the words copy and cat. But don't be misled, it doesn't literally mean a cat that copies. Definition: a copycat refers to a person who imitates or copies the actions, behavior, or work of another person. The term often carries a slight negative connotation, implying that the imitator lacks originality. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but being able to use it in sentences can take your language skills to another level. Here are a few examples. 1. Don't be a copycat and come up with your own ideas. 2. She's such a copycat. She bought the same dress I did last week. 3. Ever since the success of that mobile game, there have been so many copycat versions on the App Store. As you can see, the term can be used in various contexts, but it always refers to the act of copying or mimicking something or someone. Sometimes, it's good to know alternative words or phrases that convey the same meaning. Here are some synonyms for copycat. Imitator, someone who copies the behavior or actions of another. Mimic, a person who imitates others, often for entertainment. Clone, in informal English, it can refer to someone or something that is almost identical to another. Duplicate, a copy that corresponds to an original exactly. These synonyms can be used in similar contexts, but always make sure the word fits the specific nuance you want to convey. And that wraps up our exploration of the term copycat. English is full of these intriguing idioms and phrases, and understanding them can give you a deeper insight into the language and its culture. We hope this video shed light on the meaning and usage of copycat. Remember, it's not just about copying the words, but understanding their essence. Happy learning and see you next time.